confinement to hell and back. What I mean by that is he was someone that was provably falsely accused. And so if you don't think false accusations happen, I can prove to you that they do. In this case, we were proven with DNA. So he went through a year, almost a year and a half of hell being under investigation, where his command thought he had committed the misconduct, where everyone looked at him as a pariah. And he didn't do anything wrong. He didn't commit the misconduct, but this other individual made this allegation against him, and he was looked at by the command and by the Army establishment as guilty until proven innocent. So on his end, yes, he's vindicated at the end. When he had to go through hell and back, not only did he have to talk to his family and have his command look at him like he committed some misconduct and go through a pretty embarrassing situation, you also have to spend a decent amount of money on legal representation and have this all played out in court over a year. And so we say we won. Yes, we won the case, but the reality is, did he really win? Yes, he's free. He's not going to prison. But I look at this saying, early on, the command or the convening authority or the judge advocate's office, whoever it is that's looking at this, should have taken a closer look earlier on and said, hey, we've got this DNA evidence. It doesn't add up. We would expect to see DNA. We don't have DNA. The forensic evidence doesn't match up with what the alleged victim is saying. And when those don't match up, you usually have something wrong. And my perspective on it is, instead of having to go all the way till the day before trial, fly an entire trial team out to Korea, halfway around the world, a DNA expert, and so on, the government should be looking at these cases with a much closer eye before they make a decision to prefer charges, as opposed to this notion of we're going to, quote, believe the victim, even if the, quote, victim is not believable. And that's where really there's a breakdown in the system, at least in my mind. But again, that's the system we're dealing with. I can't just say, well, you should look at it more carefully. Oftentimes they don't, and charges go forward anyway. So that's why we have perhaps so many acquittals or not guilty verdicts or cases get dismissed before trial. So I mean, that happens, but the onus, in my mind, really should be on the government's prosecutors to really measure twice and cut once before you charge someone with pretty serious offenses. If you're one of these scenarios where the government's accused you of something very serious and it could cost you your future, your freedom, or your career, you need someone who's been there and done that. Give me a call. I've been doing this for 20 years, and I've been to trial over 500 times with a track record that I'll put up against anyone. If you want to take it to the next level, get on my calendar, let's do a call, and let's go win your case.